Let's study 9th standard ICSE English Literature, Poem 5, Television by Roald Dahl. This poem is a severe criticism of TV. Roald Dahl calls it an idiot box. He feels that he has researched or surveyed many households in UK, and he has come to realize one thing, that children should never ever be allowed to watch TV. That's a very strong condemnation of this device. But then he lists the harmful effects of television. He feels that during his survey, he often found a dozen eyeballs on the floor, which means around 6 children were just lolling and slopping on the floor, due to which their postures were affected. The children were just sitting and becoming couch potatoes because they were not indulging in physical activities, outdoor sports. The television programs were also not suitable for their age. It would spoil their mind. Their brain would become soft as cheese. There is a lot of exaggeration in this poem, which makes it funny, but then that draws the attention of the reader as well. Some of the sentences are in caps entirely to highlight and stress on those points. Roald Dahl says that television clogs and clutters the brain. Just like if the drains are cluttered, then there is a total mess. Similarly, if your thinking processes are clouded, then children won't develop mentally. They would forget how to differentiate between reality and fiction because they believe in whatever they watch on TV. And that may have dangerous consequences as well. Now, he admits that TV is beneficial for parents because it makes the children sit at one place. Otherwise, the parents are not able to do their work because the children will just run around in the house, jump off the windowsills, fight with each other, kick each other, etc. So TV is a device which will make sure that they are still. But at what cost? What if the children's mental development is hampered because of this? They just live in the fantasy world of the TV. Their thinking capacity is stopped because everything is visual. The visual stimulus is so much. And also, if you notice, there might be some violent or inappropriate scenes which may severely affect the children's brains. Now, the parents might ask, and this is something Roald Dahl anticipates in advance, the parents ask, if we switch off the TV or remove the TV set, then what should the children do? Now, Roald Dahl's answer is that before the TV was invented many decades ago, what did the children do? They used to read books. There was a time when children would love to read books. The entire nursery floor would have books scattered around. There would be books near the bed. There would be bookshelves. We need to start inculcating this habit of reading in our children. Because when you read, it fires your imagination. The brain is forced to use its creativity and imagination power while we are reading about various fascinating characters, about pirates, cannibals, and some characters which are very famous in UK and many other countries like Penelope, Beatrix Potter, Mr. Todd, Squirrel Nutkin, Pigling Bland, Tiggy Winkle. These were characters in children's storybooks which we are not aware of because we have stopped reading them and we only watch TV, cartoons and other entertainment shows. So if the children are de-addicted from TV, it will take time. They might be frustrated and angry at the parents. But give them a couple of weeks and then they will start realizing that reading is actually more fun. So Roald Dahl says that we should throw away the TV set and replace it with a bookshelf. And reading should be made compulsory for children for their better mental development. Now, if you wonder that if TV is indeed so monstrous and an evil thing, then what else can we do besides it if it is indeed removed? Well, I'm sure that you won't be worried even if TV is shut because all of you spend a lot of time on mobile phones anyway. Hi students, this is AJ sir. If you like this video, press the like button. If you would like to enroll for my online test series or online lectures, email me or message me on Instagram. Check the description for more information.